Alright, hello fellow Novas, I'm Nova Charger back. Jesus, what the heck is happening already? I am back with some gaming videos, but, sorry. Already? What? I thought it just started! Whatever. Of course. Of course. Yeah, sorry about the lack of videos since I've been sick, but then, I got better, then I got sick again, so I was like, you know what, might as well just make a video. Jeez, why is the volume so loud? So I thought I should just play some Mortal Kombat. I got the game like when it first came out, so, sorry about the poor quality of video. I'm still trying to get a better quality, video recorder, but I don't know which one to get, so if you please comment down below on that, and along with that, comment down below on which games you would like me to see, or, yeah, which games you would like for me to play. And I know that I'll be doing more Forza Horizon 2, and that's that. So let's get into it, let's go, online. I probably suck at this game. Let's do player match. Yay, opponent found. The heck? Why does it ask me if I want to accept or not? I mean, I think I understand why, but it's stupid. I enter this freaking thing. Oh no. One of my friends is always Scorpion, and he always beats the crap out of me, so I'm kind of scared already. Oh Jesus. God. I think that's the Injustice skin too. I don't know, I didn't see what he put. My friend also uses the Injustice skin, so that's the thing. Oh, Jesus.
You must restore my family. That ship has sailed.
Cheeky Barney. Don't touch me, bro. You jerk! I hate this guy. He's using the freaking Inferno mode. He spawned demons. Oh my goodness. Quit it! This guy's a freaking dick. Come on. Do your moves. Thank you. What are you doing? Yeah, suck it. What is with every one of these uppercuts? This guy's blocking every single one of those. Alright. There we go. You jerk. No! I almost got it. Quit it, bro. Oh my goodness. Freaking jerk. Quit it. Yes. Come on. Yes! Oh my gosh, I thought I was gonna lose. I got this. Probably not. I shouldn't. Oh, it's lagging. Oh, come on. What the heck? Yeah, awesome music. Can you please continue the game? Oh, okay. Yeah, what the ball? What the heck? What the balls do? That's crap. You're not even gonna ask me the freaking thing? Jesus, already? That's quick. Chris Dime 666. So Chris Dime Satan. Excuse me. Wait. Kenshi. What is with these people? One of my other friends also plays as Kenshi. Oh frick. What is with everyone in this map now? What the balls? I've never seen this before. Ever. I don't think this guy knows how to customize his combat card.
Why do you confront me? You risk much by wielding Sentinel. Weak ploy, Raiden. Round one. Fight.
Oh, what? Calm down, bro. Wait, what was that? What the heck did you just do? Oh, frick. Oh, no. Not that mode. Dude, quit it. Sucky it. Oh, frick. Don't touch me. Stop it. Oh my god. Don't mess with me, frick. There we go. Then this. And then jump. No, jump. There you go. Oh, he uses special. Oh my goodness. Will you quit that? No! Yes! No way. I didn't even mean to press that. Okay, really? Stop freaking using your demons. Suck it. Use vine, son. Yeah. Come on, use it. Oh my goodness. What? Hey. I want to enhance that move, but I don't freaking. Oh Jesus. Knew it. Use your move, Raiden. Oh my goodness. I knew it! Oh. I hate this. He's gonna kill me. Yep, no. They just had to add that one part, didn't they?
You show little promise.
Did you just say you show little promise? Says the guy who's freaking bleeding all over his face. No, I almost did it. Thank you. Thank you for doing that. Oh my goodness. Ow, 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 ow. What are you doing? What are you doing? Let go of me. I seriously enhanced that. It didn't even work. F off, bro. F off. Ew. You jerk. That's not even fair. It's not fair. You can't spam buttons, bro. Oh, that's cool. This thing. Stop spamming your freaking. Ugh. This guy's a dick. You don't even know your freaking fatality. Never mind, he does. Oh, this one, of course. God, I hate this one. And he doesn't stop there. That's just grody. That's grody. Let's go to the next opponent. Because I don't want to be going against the same guy. It's boring. Yay! Opponent found. Oh jeez. 0 wins, 0 losses, but has a win odd of 65%. Yeah, okay. Wait, I didn't get to see his name. Oh, he declined. What a... There we go. Here it comes. Are you gonna join, opponent? Okay, what the heck? No, screw this guy. Okay, here we go. Thank you. Yeah, okay. This guy is terrible. The Dawn to 91. He actually accepted. I wonder what my win odds look like. Gonna move? Or just gonna stand there and wait till the time runs out? Being a dick. Oh, Kung Lao, really? Kung Lao's awesome. Even though I don't use him. Frick, no. Oh, his hat's different. What the heck? Does that go along with his skin or what? Because usually his hat is just, like, not even serrated, it's just a sharp blade. That glows blue. Back off, bro. Frick. No, that was it. I used the enhance button. I guess you can't enhance that move, so. Shot from grab. What is with this guy in the what's it called? Not what I meant to do. In the environment thing, whatever. Okay, bro. Quit it. Knew it. I saw it coming. Oh, screw you. I didn't even... What? That was a completely different button set that I just used, and he did that? I was pressing Y, you have to press X for that move. What the heck? Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Stop it. Oh, I didn't even see that. Hey, Jesus, my voice. It's like changing. Whoa, what? What? Alright, I give him credit. That was pretty good. Good. No! I just realized that he had that. Oof. God, this guy sucks. Oh, Jesus. Okay, what? I'm gonna lose. No. I'm gonna lose this round. What? Yeah, I'm definitely gonna lose this round. Ah, sucker. He didn't get to finish. It's kind of a terrible outro, but alright, whatever. I want to rematch this guy. I'm so freaking mad. Thank you. He hesitates, so I guess he's probably gonna lose. Let's go. Come at me, bro. Screw you. Back up. Oh my god, this guy's freaking. I wanted to use the. Thank you. Oh, he missed. Thank you. Oh, frick. See, special, I don't want to do anything. Oh, okay, he uses this breaker. There he is. Use your... Oh my god, someone's ringing my doorbell. Ooh, no, I can't. Oh. No, hold on. No, quit the match. Who the frick is ringing my doorbell? Weird ass people at my door. Talking with my neighbor. I don't even know what they're doing. So you know what? I'll just end it right here. Thank you so much for watching. If you would leave a like and subscribe to help the channel grow, thank you very much. And leave a comment down below, which would be appreciated. And it would also be appreciated if you tell your friends about this channel, so it could also help this channel grow. Thank you, No Charger out.